Welcome to our guide on the 5 best drones you can buy this year. These remarkable drones offer cutting-edge technology, breathtaking aerial capabilities, and unparalleled performance. Whether you're an adventurer, filmmaker, or tech enthusiast, these drones will take your flying experience to new heights. Get ready to explore the skies like never before. Number 5. Evo Lite Plus Premium Bundle Drone. Introducing the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus Premium Bundle, a professional-grade drone with exceptional features. Its 1-inch CMOS sensor and 20-megapixel camera capture stunning details, while the adjustable aperture allows for creative shots. With one-click vlog modes and advanced obstacle avoidance, this drone combines convenience and safety for an unforgettable flying experience. Elevate your aerial photography and videography with the Autel Evo Lite Plus. Number 4. Exo Mini Drone. Introducing the Exo Mini, a professional 4K UHD long-range drone. With a 40-minute battery life, 12-megapixel camera, and 5-plus-mile range, it captures stunning photos and cinematic video. Packed with smart features and free accessories, it's more than just a drone. It's an ultimate aerial package. Elevate your drone game with the Exo Mini. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Classic Drone. Introducing the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. 5.1K HD video, 46 minutes flight time, obstacle sensing, and 15 kilometers transmission range. A masterpiece for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Fly higher, capture better, and explore limitless possibilities. Number 2. DJI Avata Fly Smart Combo Drone. Introducing the DJI Avata Fly Smart Combo. Experience immersive flying with first-person view and intuitive motion control. Capture stunning 4K footage and enjoy its agile design. Fly fearlessly with built-in propeller guard. DJI Avata Fly Smart Combo, the ultimate drone experience. Number 1. Evo Nano Series Intelligent Super Sensing 4K Camera Drone. Introducing the Autel Robotics Evo Nano Series Intelligent Super Sensing 4K Camera Drone. With a 48-megapixel camera, 4K/30fps video, and a 3-axis gimbal, it guarantees smooth and stable footage. Weighing only 249 grams, it's as portable as a smartphone. Experience the freedom of flying with its 6.2-mile transmission range and superior image quality. Get ready for breathtaking aerial shots with the Evo Nano. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more exciting reviews. Thanks for watching.